What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel, and today I'm going to be making a short video for you guys to show you the potential of these Infiniti Q50 Q60s 3.0 turbo platforms with the VR30. And I'm going to show you guys how quick these cars are 0 to 60, because it's a question that I get often on all social media platforms, including the video comments. Hey, how fast is your car 0 to 60? A while back I posted a video, I think it was like a 40 to like a 125, and everyone was really excited about it. So I'm going to post 0 to 60, and so far we're going to be using a Draggy GPS meter today to be able to measure those stats. And let's get to it. Honestly, this car, based on what I've seen, it does supercar times on 0 to 60, and my mods are all going to be in the description. And just keep in mind, guys, we are on E85 right now. I don't have a whole lot of E85 right now. I'm showing, let's see, I'm showing E58 in the gas tank. So yeah, it's not, you know, the full beans, as I would call it. This car can probably do E80 to E85 tops in terms of ethanol content. But right now, if I had to guess, we're probably doing about 490, 500 to the wheel. Who knows, and around 520, 530 torque. If I had to guess, the car's going to be on the dyno Friday to confirm what it really is doing. So yeah, guys, enjoy the video and let me know what you guys think. And by the way, thank you guys so much. We're almost at 3,000 subscribers. Thank you, thank you, thank you. I cannot do this without you guys. So thank you so much for the comments, the likes, the shares. Love you guys. Appreciate it. Enjoy the video. But actually, before we begin this video, I'm going to show you guys that we're actually on stock run flat tires. These are 245 4019 tires, run flats, Dunlop tires. They're a complete trash, but we're going to do it anyways. This is an all-wheel drive car. For those of you guys are wondering, you know, I'm going to get asked in the comments. So all-wheel drive car, run flat tires. I'm going to spin a whole lot because simply these run flat tires suck. But god damn, the car is looking clean as hell. I just waxed this thing and it's looking pretty damn nice. So let's get in the car, let's get this going. By the way, 2-piece rotor action right there. That stuff saves a ton of rotational weight there, unsprung weight if you call it. But let's get in the car, let's get these tests going. I'm gonna do 3 runs and give you guys the results of all 3 via the Draggy GPS meter. Let me know what you guys think. So here we go, guys. Just like you guys saw, each run back to back to back. It was 3 runs. We can say an average is around 3.4 seconds. And our first one is 3.43, 338, 337, which is actually my personal best to date. So let's take a look at the Draggy up here, what it has. And that one's actually at 0.2% of a slope. It's a valid run, of course. The second one is a negative 0.60 of a slope, so it got away from us there at the end of the run, but it's still under that 1%, makes it a valid run. And the third one there, it is upwards of a slope of 1.40%, and it still did 3.37. Now, if it wasn't for these tires, we probably get better results. So guys, let's just summarize pretty much what we just went over. We did 3 runs, all back to back to back. The car did about 3.4 seconds, 0 to 60 on average. The proof is in the pudding. My mods are in the description. You can get these same mods or different brands, maybe cheaper price, higher price, whatever the case may be. Just make sure the car is tuned properly and you should have no problem achieving these same results. Now, I am on E85 right now with, you know, the correct components to run E85. As I showed you guys, my ethanol content right now is E58. But 93 octane, you guys should be seeing about 3.5, maybe even 3.4 seconds, 0 to 60, and 3.6 if you live maybe in a warmer state where, you know, you don't get as good air as I'm seeing here in Michigan. But that's another discussion. I want you guys to know these results are very much so attainable by the average consumer, just like me. Only difference is I'm making a video for you guys, and what you see here on my car today is easily attainable over the counter. There's stock turbos, stock engine, stock transmission. Nothing in the drivetrain has been modified. This is just a bolt-on car with a little bit of E85. Now, whenever we turn it up to about E80 to 80% ethanol content, we may see different results. The car ultimately should be a little bit faster, but the ultimate setback on this car right now is these stock run flat tires. We're going to get new tires here as soon as my wheels arrive. Yes, I've announced it on Instagram. Maybe some of you guys have seen it. I got a set of Volk Racing T37 SLs. They have been my favorite wheel forever, and I'm finally getting a set that should arrive within a month. So now you guys know the next time you see those wheels on the channel, they're probably getting ceramic coated and installed. So thank you guys so much for watching. If you like today's video, as always, give it a like, guys. If you're new to the family, like the channel, like the content, subscribe. See you guys in the next video.